Good morning, or afternoon, or about to be afternoon. This is Empress, the Anointed One. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Put the comments in below. That helps my channel and it's for free, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Um, these are the tarot decks I might be using today. Let's get into it. You guys forgive me, I'm a little sleepy. I've been up working all night, putting my heart and sweat into this channel. So, I might be yarning, so forgive me. Forgive me. Alright. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on the earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. God is God. Amen. I make glory for tarot. Okay. This is the Cosmo Oracle Tarot. I don't know who this made by, but I might be using this one. But, whoever did donate to my channel, any tarot decks, greatly appreciated. They will be advertised on this channel. I will leave the link down at the bottom. Just description where you can go purchase your own tarot deck. But really love my decks. I appreciate it. I'm not feeling this deck right now. I like this Barbie one. I can't wait. Cause she has a Barbie one too as well. I can't wait to get that one as well. But I'm enjoying this one. I really want to combine the both. Okay, so what is the collective? Our Father one heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Yes, thy will be done. Through me, bringing out these readings. Let us know what's on your mind. The thought of wisdom I need to find. The collective need to find as well. What do you need us to know today? It's September 1st. It's the first of the month of September. Man, it's about to be 2025. 3 more months? Yeah, man. Wow. Where did the time go? Y'all, I don't know. Anyway, make a long story short. Let us know as your time, Lord. Drop all the wisdom we need to find north this day for the collective at this time. Alright, let me put some stuff out the way. Here. Where's my little dummy? Okay. What do we need to know? What does the collective need to know regarding Holy Spirit? What does the collective need to know? Okay. Nothing. What does the collective need to know? Holy Spirit. What did the collective need to know? What's this? Oh, lovers. Star lovers. This is what I get. Time I see them bright stars. Star lovers. Falling in love, loyalty, romantic connection. Look at that. Star lovers. Anything else, Holy Spirit? That is so beautiful. Look at that. Star lover with unexpected income. Windfall luck, small business investment. Okay. Anything else, Holy Spirit? I just want to put that on silent. I sworn I put that on silent. Ain't it one thing? It's one thing is another. I just want to put that on silent. Nevertheless, I apologize. I apologize, everyone. Okay, Jesus, what else? Alright, let me get back to the energy. Alright. There's trust, comfort, support, reassurance, trust, comfort, and support. You definitely gonna need some trust on that ice. I don't know. Have you anybody been ice skating? Put it in the comments below. I have. I used to live in Oregon. That's what we did. And I tell you, them blades are sharp. You definitely gotta have trust. Okay. And if you fall on your behind on that ice, trust and believe me, honey. You better have a lot of clothes on. We didn't go. Some of us did not go out looking like this. See, that's too thin. That's looking cute. The real is, we had some thick clothes, because once your behind hit that ice, that's a bruise for about a week or two. And it don't have to be a big one either. Okay, star lovers got unexpected income coming your way, and trust. Anything else, Holy Spirit? Anything else, Holy Spirit? You want the collective to know? Anything else? Anything else, Holy Spirit? Anything else? Okay. Out with friends, family, advice, gossip, and support. Look at that. All right. Message, pleasant news, information, correspondent. Whatever it is, message or correspondence or information. Somebody's gossiping about it. Oh, look at the bottom of the deck. Gift, surprise, proposal, resource. Aww, someone getting a gift. Okay. What am I picking up on here? Lovers. There's the stars, baby. Somebody is in the limelight. Is somebody seeing a famous person? Somebody got money, wealth. Yeah, falling in love, loyalty, romantic conversation. Yeah. Either somebody just met this person, or you guys have been meeting for a while. But then again, we're going back to that same energy. It must be the same energy I'm picking up. Oh, where it never got off the ground because you guys been too busy. This is a Emperor and Empress energy. Okay, let me go through the reading first before we say that. But it feels like the same one. Trust. There's a lot of people gossiping about how you make your money. They want to know how you get this unexpected income. Because I worked hard for it. It could be illegal, but I'm not feeling that. I feel like somebody got a side hustle and it took off. And people who've been having a side hustle for a while, for 2 or 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. This person come along, not knowing the heart and tears and sweat they put in their craft. But to anybody else. It could be a fluffer people collective. It could be your soul family or tribe. Don't have to be people you know on the internet, or it could be family, actual family friends. They're curious of how you make your money, how you stay on top, what you selling, who you sexing, and really they're not. They put their heart and soul in it. See this little 4-leaf clover? They blessed and lucky, and you have to watch a four leaf clover grow. So they planted the seeds and it finally prospered with some coins. I'm losing my voice because I'm tired. Yeah. So you getting this message in? Hey, um, you can message me through internet, phone call. It could be through any type of communication channel, stating that you came into some inheritance, money, lottery, side hustle, whatever. hmm And you got some jealous hoes over here, gossiping about your stuff. You got a sudden income, and then all of a sudden you got a new lover or old lover that seems like it's new, and y'all really starting to trust each other, developing a relationship. I had a reading. What was that? Yesterday, day before yesterday. I at least try to do 2 readings a day. Where there was a reading where somebody was courting somebody. So I don't know if this is the same energy or what, but nevertheless. And then again, you constantly getting good communication. I don't know why I'm stuck over here. Um, they don't look like they don't. This could be family, friends. You know how you have friends that you think that you feel like they're family. I don't know. I don't. That looked like Empire State, but that looked like New York City. But it also reminds me of Dubai. So I don't know. I want to say these ranchy assholes, but they bougie as hell. Hmm. It don't have to be. What else, Holy Spirit? What else, Holy Spirit? What else you feeling? What do you want the collective to know? All I know is you put this, you keep, whoever this is I'm channeling, keep going into your craft because it's going to pay off. And pretty soon, you're going to become a wealthy person. You're going to live a comfortable lifestyle. Whatever it is, whoever I'm channeling. 13, what, 13, yeah, 1331. Change. You keep channeling. And I'm telling you, I keep coming back to these ratchet assholes. Even though they beautiful and gorgeous and sexy as hell. Yeah, you can be bougie and ratchet all at the same time. But they so low key with their ratchetness. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. These are the type of laugh in front of you and talk shit behind your back. But tell you, I feel like these are like relatives more than friends. Like these are friends that you can't get rid of. These are the ones that are gonna be through your college and marriage. And this is like a great aunt or something like that. Somebody's aunt keep up a lot of shit. But she looked upon with the family like having a lot of wisdom. Everybody go to her. It don't have to be an aunt, it could be a mama. She two-faced it. You know, she got two faces. She got one that without makeup and got another with makeup. She stir up the pot a lot. And collective, I believe that you got a love here that you're not telling nobody. You learned your lesson about telling people about your business. Your last relationship, these wretched assholes always got something to say. It's always some damn bullshit. And none of these got a pot to piss in. But this middle one, I feel like this one is married. But their marriage, she can barely keep her husband. Probably her husband having an affair with some young chick. Only your person knows is drama, chaos. But then there's another story I'm picking up too, that there's collective, that there's family members who actually are looking out for your best interests, but low key jealous. Can't get away from that one. Low key jealous. You got your business, got your man, you bought a house, you got your shit together. You that bad bitch. Itch. You but that bad itch. Yeah. Anything else, Holy Spirit? Anything else? Holy Spirit. Anything else? Lovers for the collective. Lovers for the collective. Lovers for the collective. Lovers. Lovers for the collective. Lovers for the collective. Clarify the lovers for the collective, Holy Spirit. What the collective need to know. Lovers. Okay. Yeah. Same cards that came out. It's two group of people I'm picking up. One is, again, you just met this person, or you met this person, been knowing this person for, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years, but it never got off the ground, so it seems new. And then there's another one who, again, draws back to this. She don't seem like too older than them, but she's a little bit older than them. Somebody here who has a lover who has attachment issues, who's insecure, avoiding anxiety, have attachment issues to their past. Even though they're not together, but they have attachment issues. And this person feel despair because they feel like they need to heal from these attachment issues before they come in and bring you the relationship that you need to be in the divine power, so you guys can be that powerful dynamic, power couple dynamic. They in despair and grief, exhausted of jealousy because they don't know by the time they finish healing, who knows, you might find somebody else. But Holy Spirit said, trust, trust, trust. Trust the process. So I don't know if it's this person or somebody new. But whoever it is, it's the power couple dynamics, communication, teamwork, shared responsibilities. But there's a message coming in, either from this person or somebody new. Hurry up. Okay. Unexpected income. What is unexpected income? What's there? It's an unexpected income. What's the unexpected income? Unexpected income. Holy Spirit, what's the unexpected income? I'm telling you, like I said before, collective, I'm feeling this strongly. It's been coming through my readings. Like, if you put your heart and sweat, like, I did a dedication video before this one. And I dedicated, a lot of people who work hard for their craft. And it just don't have to be tarot. It's just dedication to anybody who has a project and it's their baby and they putting their heart and sweat into it, trying to juggle a family, trying to juggle a full-time job, doing all they can to just get their side hustle off the ground. So they can live a comfortable lifestyle. And flip and switch it. It just it could be your partner right here. But it also could be you. I'm feeling that it's the collective. But nevertheless, y'all want to leave a legacy. You want a comfortable lifestyle where you don't have to worry about your kids. College tuition. Well, we ain't got to college, but I feel like some kids got to college and some has not. Some are still high school and elementary. But this is a privileged woman. But she became privileged because she stayed dedicated to her craft. Or it could be this person doing this. So this person could come and bring, after they heal, come and take you on a trip of getaway, rejuvenation, to where you guys have privacy, get away on a trip. It could be a ski resort, snow, Big Bear, any kind of where there's snow is. Don't have necessary. It could be Aspirin, anywhere. To rekindle a honeymoon phase. And who knows? Collecting might be bringing this person to your house, closer to you, personal space, slowly, because they gotta earn it back. They gotta earn it back. Trust, support, comfort, reassurance. Okay, Holy Spirit, what is trust? What is trust? Clarify trust. Clarify trust. Clarify trust. Trust, working together. Then it says support, working together, freelance. Even though you guys are working together, you guys are doing your own thing, freelance, trying to get your own business off the ground. Mm-hmm. But when you guys are in separation, your thoughts are about towards each other. When y'all meditate, your thoughts, and when you go to sleep, when you wake up, thoughts is on you guys and in this relationship. You guys have attachment, so it's like you're developing. Slow it down because now you're developing. I feel. I could be wrong. I could feel like you're developing attachment issues like codependency. And you don't want to bring that into your relationship. So just kind of chill. Just go with the flow. Don't rush this. This is nice. But whoever going to the snow or something like that, trust and believe that you need to take more clothes because winter is coming and you don't want to get ill or nothing like that. Lord forgive me, but I don't wish that on nobody. But nevertheless, we still not done with COVID, so take precaution. But I'm also picking up when this person is not around you, like I said before, um, they feel ill, and they could be perfectly fine, but they reach out to their family members. They ain't about shit, cause these fuckers over here gossiping about, it's hard to tell people good things. And then they so used, misery love company. Fuck. Misery love company. But you so mental stressed out, you just don't know. You just don't know. Hmm. Another thing I'm getting too. Is this a family business? Y'all leave that in the comments. Is this a family business that's very profitable and someone felt obtained some bad health? I don't know where I'm getting this from, but somebody had bad health. Don't necessarily have to be HIV or COVID, nothing like that. It could have had an ulcer or a hernia or anything. A torn knee, something. Somebody who has bad health. But nevertheless, these group of people set out to do something while an individual is sick. Anybody who was sick on that, I don't want to say nothing really to take, somebody going to heaven. I don't want to say that. But did somebody steal something? Did somebody rob somebody or somebody? Did somebody make any fake documents to get this certain wealth? I'm feeling that too. Because somebody's waiting for a decision to be made in court. And that's probably why collective that your person might be ill. Or this could be you, flip it, switch it. Because they're overthinking of what the judge is going to say. Did somebody embezzle some money? Is this part of the family business? I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comments. This is what I'm feeling. Trust. Hmm. Okay, Holy Spirit. What else? What else for trust? Trust. With the collective. Give me one card, Holy Spirit. Trust. And after this court decision, this person is going to be chasing you. Be chasing you. So, I don't know. Anyway, I'm moving on. Wealthy man, ambitious, opportunity. It's in this card I pulled. So is this, like, remember I stated earlier, somebody's famous? Don't that have to be somebody who is very well off, who invested their money very well? Did any of these ratchet assholes stole some money from your person, collective? Then your family members. That's why, collective, you not telling anyone about your relationship. Because the last person who was probably well off, you told your family about a nice relationship. And they sabotage that too as well. I know something about these ratchet assholes right here. I keep getting that. And these ratchet assholes wondering, gossiping how you got married out the blue and they wasn't invited to the wedding. They didn't know about it. To this person, and you commit intimate relationship, contractual relationship, a contract. Could you be one of those people who's on foreign land, need to get married to get a visa? I'm getting that strongly. But yeah, nevertheless, whoever this is I'm picking up, please continue to go into your craft, freelance, creative work, self-employment. Headed that way because it's going to be very profitable. Very, very profitable. And thoughts of you, meditation, preoccupation. Every time y'all separated. Alright, what is power couple? What is power couple? Collective. The Holy Spirit, what is power couple? What is power couple for the collective? What is power couple for the collective? Y'all working hard. Y'all putting your heart and sweat. That's what I'm saying. It's something about dedication. I made that dedication video. So I'm feeling like it's going into this reading too. It's just y'all working both parties, collective, you and your person, individually, separate and together, that you guys are working like sweat and tears just to get something off the ground, a business off the ground. And these ratchet freaking assholes, it's really messy. You know how somebody will start shit, but they feel like, and then chaos happen, and then when they start investigating who actually started, and you find out who the person is, and the person is like, I don't know what you're talking about. They play innocent, like they never did nothing, or they play the victim. That's what it feels like over here. And when you guys are in separation, you guys are yearning. Why you guys, yearning and difficult to even say goodbye to each other. Like you say if you guys went out to dinner, um, and you had like the most awesome time, but it's time to go home. You guys separate ways unless you're gonna spend the night over the house. But nevertheless, even with that, it's hard for you guys to say goodbye because you guys starting to have these attachment issues. That's all I'm saying. Just chill. You don't want to be where you codependent. Okay. What is this wealthy man? And I'm looking at this wealthy man. I don't see just men or masculine. There's not a wealthy woman in here, but I'm gonna categorize this card to be a man and woman. So flip and switch it. It could be you, collective. Anything else, Holy Spirit, that you want the collective to know? What is wealthy man? What is wealthy man? What is wealthy man? What is wealthy man, Holy Spirit? What is wealthy man? Is this wealthy man gonna help you celebrate? It looks like you guys are out to dinner. Wealthy man. Is this a rich guy who owns a company, who embezzles some money, fix the paperwork, fix some taxes, maybe some tax evasion, who might be facing prison time for falsifying some paperwork? And that's why you guys in separation. And he quickly got married to you, so you can change and relocate your lifestyle to a new one, so you can take care of his stuff while he's in prison. This is some white collar bullshit right here. This ain't no hood stuff. No, this some white collar stuff. This is a man who goes to the gym. He's full in his full masculinity. It don't have to be a male. It can be a masculine woman. Their main focus is of getting attention. That might be true, but they want attention from the collective. You're the main source. You're the main person who take care of the paperwork, who take care, the banks, who take care of the cars, take care of the house. You take care of everything. You take care of the business. Why this person is gone, I don't know where this is coming from. but but tonight you guys are out celebrating something. Birthday, special occasion, new age. And if it is a person who's about to go to jail, that's going to be a long distance relationship. It don't have to be. They can just be on trial, found not to be guilty. And this person has to move their company out of town in a different country. Now they're forced to do this long distance. That's picking up for a very, very selective few. Nevertheless, is this person going from rich to rich to poor? I don't know. It says change here. Relocation, movie, new lifestyle. So I don't know. Is this person going for rich or poor? Or I don't know. But no matter what, like I stated before, you the main person. You the main person. But I don't think they're going to poor because they put their heart and soul and sweat into their company. I don't know, just something just changed. But nevertheless, what is marriage, Holy Spirit? What is marriage? 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 North is dead for the collective. What is marriage, Holy Spirit? What is marriage? For the collective, what is marriage? Clarify marriage. What's that? Commitment, intimacy, intimate friendships. Yeah. What is marriage? Honeymoon, getaway, rejuvenation. Yeah. Person want to marry you. You're on your honeymoon. Go horseback riding. Go somewhere out of the country. Like I said, aspirin, Oregon, aspirin. It can be North Pole. Hell, I don't know. But you're gonna get a message of important information. Again, it don't have to be this wealthy person. It could be you coming out of poverty, and this man is coming to sweep you off your feet. You don't have to be on food stamps no more. Ain't nothing wrong with that, and I love food stamps. I will buy food stamps in a minute. But nevertheless, this could be overseas. Something like that. Hell, who knows? But nevertheless, y'all, I'm sleepy. I am super sleepy. Thank you for checking in with my channel. Don't forget, please. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Hit that like button. I greatly appreciate you. I really do. Please hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. I know you're going to hit the like button. I'm not too sweating it. So, I know you are. So, I don't know. At the bottom of the deck, this journey. Somebody going to prison. Somebody's going to prison. It's going to be a long journey because whoever this is, whoever this wealthy person is, or these people over here who somebody stole something. Or, again, family, you didn't let your family know that who you was beating. You went and took your sweetheart to meet the family, and they up here plotting. These little ratchet ass hoes is plotting to steal. I don't know. I'm tired. Nevertheless, thank you. Please don't forget to hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Please put a comment below and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. Lord have mercy. Good afternoon. Happy holidays. Please be safe on your Labor Day weekend. Enjoy.